This is the 13th question from the Digital SAT Test 1 Module 1 from the Bluebook app, and it's asking which choice effectively uses data from the table to complete the statement. Based on the passage, it's saying percent of population employed in the agricultural sector has declined in France and the United States, and in the service sector it's risen, but the transition happened at very different rates. This can most clearly be seen by comparing employment by sector in both countries and then the answer choices are all which years. So we're going to see what a wrong answer looks like. We're going to see what a right answer looks like. Let's investigate answer choice B, 1800 to 2012. From 1800, we've got 64, and in 2012 we got 3%. That's a decrease of 61. And then in 1800 in the US for agriculture, we go from 68 to 2, so that's 66. So that difference is 5. Okay, if we did the same for 1800 to 2012, manufacturing decreases by 1, manufacturing in the US stays the same. So that changes, the difference in rate of change is 1 there. And then if we looked at services in France, we go from 14 to 76. That's an increase of 62. And here we go, services in the US, 13 to 80. That's an increase of 67. The difference in increase there is 5. Now let's see, that's a wrong answer, by the way. We're going to see why the right answer is right. This is how you'd work through all the answer choices. We compared 1900 to 1950. In 1900, 43 to 31, that's a decrease of 11. And then if we look at agriculture in the US, we go from 41 to 14. So that decrease is 27. So difference between 27 and 11 is going to be a difference of 16. Okay, so already you can see that it's much bigger. And then if we look at manufacture, which actually the passage is talking about the service sector, and it's talking about the agricultural sector. It's not even talking about manufacturing, so we'll skip that. Services in France go from 28 to 35. That's an increase of 7. In the US, it goes from 31 to 53. That's an increase of 22. The difference between 7 and 22 is 15. So if we compare the 16 and the 15 to the 5 and the 5, you can see that 1900 to 1950 is the biggest change. That's making the point that the passage is saying transition happened at very different rates. Thank you for joining us today. If you see the following video, check us out on YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, and have a great day.
Have a great day.